What's up everyone, welcome to this video. In this video I will show you how to enable or disable auto factory reset on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So first of all, open settings. Now in settings, scroll down and here click on lock screen. Now in lock screen, click on secure lock settings and then enter your lock screen pin, password or pattern, and here you will see a auto factory reset button. So if you want to enable auto factory reset, then tap on this button to turn it on, and after turning on this button, after 20 incorrect attempts to unlock your phone, it will reset to factory default settings and all data will be erased, including files and downloaded apps. So if you are sure, then turn on this button, and if you don't want to auto reset your phone, then tap on this button again to turn it off, and when this button is turned off, it means auto factory reset is disabled. So that's how you can enable or disable auto factory reset on Galaxy S25 Ultra. So I hope you liked the video. Thanks for watching.